Not like hunting or blood, please turn the video off now. Well, just shot this bird here. This one here. It's a pretty decent sized bird actually. And I got it right there in the head. Actually, first one went straight through there and out the side of the head. Or the other way around. Don't really know. And using the Browning Gold. One shot, one kill. I shot him right into there. I was right here with the four-wheeler. I shot him right in there, right beside that tree there, you can see. And I was using Crosman hunting pellets, 250 of them. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.